Okay, so what you're gonna do with your tamarind, you're gonna crack the shells in here and you're gonna get rid of them, okay? And if you guys see that big bowl, it's because Cloudy doesn't want me struggling with the small bowls that I always end up picking, so we went extra on this one. So you just want to crack it and then peel all of it, okay? So just keep cracking. Just like that. It's pretty easy. Very simple. If you're not familiar with tamarind, you're gonna see some that look like this. This one right here, don't use it. You can already see that you're molding up. You don't need to put that in anybody's system. You know, better be safe than sorry. And then opposed to these, delicious. And the thing is that these you can eat fresh like this. This was like a treat for me growing up where I would just eat it.
But it has seeds, so be careful, not for kids.
Look at, it has the seed inside, then that's what we're trying to get.
Unless your kid was like my sister growing up.
You can just eat it so good. They're a healthier version of gummy candy. And come to think about it, I'm gonna have to be making these candies. My kids are gonna love them.
Please tell me why there's a fire extinguisher right over there in the corner.
Because I changed my liners for my stove, and in case I get creative or wild.
I know how you guys celebrate, so I had to ask.
Blueberries, like you like.
Wow.
After you've cleaned your tamarindo, you're gonna pick a good pot. All my pots are being used, so I'm gonna use this pan. Excuse me, this pan. And you're gonna boil this on a medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? You're gonna boil it with the seed, with everything from the tamarind, so that we can bring in, excuse me, an amazing flavor. That's what happens when you eat spice, guys. You get the hiccup. So let me go ahead and boil this for about 15-20 minutes, and I'll see you guys shortly. So go ahead and take out all your seeds. Wait till they cool down, because what you want to do is you want to take out any of the extra shells that you left on here. You want to take them off.
That must have been some spicy food you had.
It is. And you want to take out these too.
The veins?
Yeah.
That?
Sorry about my hiccups, guys. Can't help it. I'm human. Okay.
Speak to me telepathically and I'll translate.
Okay.
You want to take out the veins. Careful because it's hot.
It's really hot, so you can wait till it's cool, but my family's waiting for this drink, so I'm going to rush it real quick. And if you just cut it like this, the seeds will come off a lot easier.
Remember that saying in Spanish, que te robaste, when you have hiccups? Like, what did you steal? I used to hate that saying when I was growing up. Too. I'm like, I didn't steal anything.
I don't believe in stealing. I believe in you work hard for stuff. That's how we were raised. So I used to hate when even if it was just a joke, they would say that and I'd be like, ugh. Okay. So I'm just going to keep on getting the pulp, moving the seeds.
Did you move the outer layer of the shell where the seed was in?
Nope, you keep it all in there.
Okay.
I like biting into that actually if it's in my drink, but it depends on how you make. There's several ways, and I'm going to teach you one that's going to give you the good flavor that you want, because one of the things that I really enjoy in life is tamarindo, tamarind. It's actually a lot of fun.
It looks like fun.
All right, so I'm going to keep doing this, and I'll see you guys in just a moment. Now you're going to go ahead and add your tamarind water. That's going to be about 4.5 cups of liquid, and you want to add your tamarind paste. Okay. I'm starting with 3/4 sugar, 3/4 cup of sugar, and now we're going to go ahead and blend this, okay? And you want to make sure you blend this for a good 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so we have options here, guys. You can either strain it to keep it super smooth and just like water, or you can keep a little bit of the pulp that you see here blended, which is amazing. I would say keep it unless you're feeding it to kids. They're not too good with the texture. Then it's gonna be up to you guys. One of the things that you wanna check on here is you wanna make sure you taste it. If you need to add more sugar, go for it. But I think 1 cup with the ratios that I've given you is perfect for this. So now you wanna make sure to add a lot of ice. And let's serve it. So this one's gonna be strained so you guys can see. But if you love tamarindo, you love eating this little part of the pulp. It's amazing, but it's gonna be up to you guys on how you wanna serve it and introduce it to your families.
You can make some candy with that pulp.
You sure can, but you're better off just eating it nice and fresh like that.
Okay, you know me and sugar.
Yes. Ooh, not a fork.
I'm gonna tell you that you have it. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this pulp back because it's amazing.
This one is for me. Thank you, sis. And that one is for you. Con un splash de tequila.
Oh. Mezcal.
Pues no tenemos mezcal.
I know I'm out of mezcal, but mezcal would be good with this. I'm not even
Can
gonna...
you tell the difference? A little bit you can. Yeah.
When you eat it and consume it and drink it. That's how I like it. You see that? Because then I start biting into it.
Oh, okay.
Cheers.
So if you like to chew gum or something, maybe this would be a thing.
Yeah, I like the treat. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and click that bell for notifications. It'll tell you when I post. Keep sending me your pictures on Twitter and Instagram so I can post them here on our channel. On that note, I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Adios!